Hello there, today I will take you through the process of creating a children's storybook and illustrating it using Canva and AI tools. So in this video I will show you step by step on how I brought this story to life with engaging visuals that capture the magic and adventure of the forest. So we're gonna start with ChatGPT so that we can get our story there. Okay, so we've got this story right now with chapters. So we've got page chapter 1 until chapter 6. So with this, so we're gonna ask ChatGPT to create the prompt so that we can have the image that will go with the storyline. So here are the detailed prompt for each chapter to generate images in watercolor with a 3D pixel-like style. So we're gonna copy this prompt and go to Leonardo.ai. Okay, so now we are in Leonardo, so we're gonna use Leonardo Diffusion XL. So we're gonna come here to generate, and then we're gonna just wait just some few seconds, and then it will come out. We can just choose one of these, and then you can just come here to download the image, and then after that you can just go to Canva. So when you're in Canva, let's just come here, and then we go to custom size, and then we're gonna choose 11. So let's start with the inches first. Let's change it to inches. 11 by 8.5 inches. Then we create a new design. First we're gonna go to upload, and then we're gonna go to upload files. We're gonna just select any image. So already I've got the images, all of them are here, and then let's go to ChatGPT so that we can get this story. So we're gonna just we're gonna need to put the story into two parts. So the chapter 1 will have like 2 pages. So let me just show you. Let me just copy the whole thing here, and then we're gonna go to Canva, and then let's just check and go to text, and then we delete this text, and then we're gonna add the one from ChatGPT. So we're gonna put it here. If you feel like it's fine, you can just leave it like that, and then we change. You can come here to change the fonts. So you can change the fonts and then choose the one that you feel like. You can change it to children's fonts. We can come here to change the font's size. So if you want to leave it to 32 or 30, then you can just leave it like that. Okay, so we're gonna leave this one here, and then we're gonna go back to ChatGPT, and then we copy the same thing. We can just duplicate it like that, and then we delete this one, and then we put the new storyline here. So that's how you're going to have consistent sizes and the fonts, so we don't need to change them right through. So okay, so we've got the page 1 and the page 2 of the story. So we need to, let's just copy the chapter. So this is the chapter 1. Let's just copy that, and then we're gonna go back there to our go back to Canva, and then we're gonna just put this one here. So we've got our story here, so then we can just leave it like that. Okay, and then the next thing that you can also do is to the color of the background. So we can just get, let's see which color we can just get. Let's just take this gray one, and then we can just put everything here, and then making sure, okay, we are satisfied with this. Okay, so we've got chapter 1, so we need the images. So we're gonna put, I'm gonna add another page because I want these pages to have the chapter 1 to have 2 parts, whereby I'll be able to have 2 images of 2 different images for both for each storyline. So we are on chapter 1 with the first storyline. So we're gonna go to upload, take this image, because that's where the small it says in a small village. So we're gonna put Tando here in order for us to be able to, because here is actually Tando is thinking of going to the forest. So I'm gonna just leave Tando here, and so I'm gonna go to elements and get some frames. So I'm gonna just say see all the, and then look for the paper. So this is the paper that we want, so just see all there so that we can get all the variety of the papers. So we can just take this one, and then we're gonna add the image here, and then we're gonna increase the size of this. So now we are here, so we need to sort out we need to decrease the font size for our chapter. So 50 is gonna be a good for our book. So with this one is gonna remain on 30. So we're gonna need to get some elements again. I need the shapes right now, so we're gonna go back and to get some shapes. So we can choose any shape that you prefer. Let's just take this one, and then let's just move it like that. So okay, so we can just change the color. I don't like this bright color. We can just change it to this. What we can do now is to double the shape, and then we're gonna change the colors. So we're gonna change the color for this one to dark blue, and then this one to maybe, let's say, this light blue. Okay, so we can just go to layers, and then sorry, not position, not lay it, not transparency. We're gonna go to layers, and then we're gonna put this one here, and then we're gonna leave this one here, and then just like that. So we're gonna put it like this. We can even decrease the size a little bit like that, and then this one we're gonna put it like this. Okay, and then we're gonna just need to bring this one back. So let's just go to position, then we're gonna put this one here. Okay, so we're gonna just okay. All right, so we're gonna put this sentence here, and just like that. So we can just bring everything together and crop. Okay, and then we can just put it here, and we can just decrease the size a little bit. All right, and then when I just add it here. Okay, so we're gonna just go to elements, then we need to put some elements there to make it look alive. So we're gonna put this owl, Let's just decrease the size of the owl. You can just put it here. So we are done with chapter 1. So we're gonna look for, let's just take this one, and then we can just put it here. Can change the color. And take this color, and then we duplicate again, and then we can even have 3 or 4 pieces of this box, but we need to change the color. So we're gonna change the color for each box. All right, so we can, let's change it to this. The other one will be dark blue, this one will be very, very dark, and then this one will be which one? All right, so this one we can just change the color to the background color, and we can just duplicate, and then we bring it here, and then we can just delete this one. So we're gonna just leave it like this. So okay, so we are done with chapter 2. So we're gonna need to go to elements, and then we need the paper again. So we're gonna just choose any paper that we love. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna edit here. I can even expand the paper. So we're gonna go to upload. So with this chapter is talking about Tando, he grabbed his flashlight. So I'm gonna just go with this image of Tando with the flashlight. So this is a suitable image for this chapter. So this is how the book has turned out. It's gonna look like this. This is a very beautiful and unique. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing how I created and illustrated this spooky forest book. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and creative content. Up until next time, keep creating and have fun. Bye bye.